Meet David. David works at meklock, Israel National Water Company. David and more than 1,000 other meklock employees are needed for meklock's facilities maintenance routine. Especially for David, for other meklock employees and subcontractors, we've developed a dedicated system for managing and supervising access to meklock facilities, the meklock app. Access meklock on your smartphone by clicking the application's icon, a faucet with a lock. Activate the application by entering your personal code. A list of authorized facilities will be displayed in geographical order from the nearest to the farthest site. You may search for a facility by typing its name, using the audio search option, or scrolling through the list of displayed sites. You may also get navigation instructions to the facility you want to reach. Slide your finger to the right over the facility's name to open Waze navigation. Slide your finger to the left to open Google Maps navigation. We can now begin our journey. Drive safely. Upon arrival at the facility, activate the application. Please note that the facility you arrived at appears at the top of the list of displayed facilities. Select the facility. A blue radio button will indicate your selection. Now, click the Disarm button at the bottom. If there is no electronic lock at the facility's entrance, a message is received stating that there is no lock at this site and the alarm is now disarmed. If there is an electronic lock at the facility, an unlock code will be sent to the smartphone and the alarm at the site will be disarmed. Upon receipt of the code, press the button at the top of the knock key. The code is transmitted automatically from your smartphone to the knock key. When the knock key is ready with the code, a double-click confirmation sound is received as feedback. If for some reason the code is not received by the knock key, you may transmit it manually by clicking the Transmit button in the application and then pressing the button at the top of the knock key. Please note, the knock key is for personal use and is non-transferable. The code transmitted to the knock key may be used to unlock all the locks in the facility that the staff member is authorized to unlock. Now it's time to activate the lock. Press and hold the lock shackle until a blinking green light appears at the bottom right side of the lock. While the lock's light is blinking, press Enter on the knock key and hold it against the center of the lock. A series of knocks is heard, after which the lock's light will blink orange once. It is now possible to pull out the lock shackle. If you do not pull out the shackle within 30 seconds, the lock relocks and you will need to unlock it again. Remember, the knock key code may unlock all the locks at the facility that a staff member is authorized to unlock. To open hidden locks in electric sheds or pool covers, press Enter on the knock key and hold it against the surface on which the lock is installed. Usually there is a sticker on the outside of the door indicating the knocking point. Contractors can select the Display Other Locks button to request codes for unlocking internal locks. When your work at the facility is done, remember to activate the security alarm system by pressing Arm. If you left the facility without arming the security alarm system, the system reminds you. If you intend to allow workers to stay at the site without you, press Worker Staying. It is possible to send a distress signal to the control room. If you want to cancel the distress signal, you will have 5 seconds to do so. Please note that we've placed general indicators at the top of the screen. The indicators on the right includes various communication modes and the Options button. On the left, operating data, navigation to client connections, messages, and reporting. Clicking on the red lifesaver icon at the top left allows sending a message regarding a fault, hazard, deficiency, or a suggestion for improvement. Your opinion is important to us. The envelope icon at the top left screen indicates receipt of messages from the control room. These posts are public and intended for all users. The Options button at the top right of the screen allows checking and viewing of sites where the alarms are disarmed. It also enables defining a knock key for connecting with the smartphone. Thanks for your attention. We wish you enjoyable and productive work.